Hey Faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. Are you ready to discover the key to making $250 per day? You don't need to look any further since we've got you. In this video, we will look at YouTube Shorts and show you how to profit from them. What is the hidden tool? We'll show you a fantastic AI video creator to do precisely that. The days of laboring to develop engaging content or spending hours editing videos are long gone. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Creating YouTube Shorts is one of the quickest and easiest ways to expand your following. These short video clips are ideal for engaging viewers and keeping them coming back for more. You don't need any specialized equipment or technical knowledge. We'll walk you through the procedure step by step, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow directions. But that's not all. AI will be used to supercharge your shorts. Here is the solution to creating your YouTube Shorts. Fliki is a one-stop AI tool for quickly creating fantastic YouTube Shorts. You can easily translate your ideas into captivating audio and video material, utilizing AI voices with Fliki's text-to-speech and text-to-video converter. As mentioned earlier, the days of spending hours scripting and recording are long gone. Fliki enables you to create high-quality short videos that will attract viewers in less than a minute. You can try Fliki for free using the link in the description. Say goodbye to tedious editing and hello to a streamlined creative process. Fliki's idea for video function can help you take your YouTube channel to the next level and make excellent short videos immediately. Let's get started on transforming your creative ideas into stunning videos. The first step is to record a video. Simply click the New File button, enter a name for your file, select one of the dozens of language options Fliki offers, choose video as the file type, and press Create. Notice the settings option on the top right of the screen. You're going to need to change the aspect ratio to portrait 9:16, as that's the setting for YouTube Shorts and other short-form content. Make sure you hit Save. It's critical to alter the video dimensions to meet the scale of your video. And for YouTube Shorts, we recommend utilizing the portrait dimension. Don't forget to check all the boxes in the video settings and choose where you want the subtitles to display and the color and font you prefer. You are allowed to change the captions to your taste. These options will improve your video's visual appeal and make it more interesting for your viewers. Let's move on to step 2, which involves entering your idea. Next, click Convert and then select Idea to Video from the Convert menu. Simply describe your video concept in a few words. For the purposes of our video, let's do top 3 facts about the human body you didn't know about. Don't forget to enter the video's desired length and click on Submit. Remember to select the short option because the aim is to create YouTube Shorts. Let's then go to Style and choose Informational because we're talking about facts, and click Submit. You'll be amazed at the results Fliki produces. It will generate a script and pictures that correspond to your concept. However, this does not imply that you are limited to what is generated. You have the authority to make changes to the script. Fliki will automatically modify the visuals to reflect the script you've edited. You can also choose your own images from the stock library if you wish. For example, if the script is too long, you can cut out extraneous bits to make it fit the YouTube Shorts format exactly. The idea is to generate entertaining and brief material to attract your viewers. The next step is customization, where you have complete control over making the video your own. Fliki offers a variety of customization choices to fit your needs. After Fliki generates the script and pictures from its extensive stock library, you can make changes as needed. Let's go to the left side of the screen and select background audio. This gives us a wide array of copyright-free music we can use in our short. I'm going to enter exciting as my search term and choose the music I think best suits our video. As previously said, you are free to customize the script, voice, images, and background music to coincide with your vision. Fliki offers a vast library of nearly 60 English voices, as well as a host of others in different languages. Let's try a few and see what they sound like. Let's start with Matthew.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Next, let's give Christopher a listen.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
And finally, let's give Sarah a try.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Sarah sounds best to me, so let's go with her for our video. Make sure you click Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and click Select. You also have the option to increase or reduce the voice's volume and speed on the right side of the screen. You have complete control over the font, positioning, color, and other visual components to guarantee that the video reflects your personal style. This level of personalization enables you to build a one-of-a-kind and personalized video that displays your imagination and attracts your viewers' attention. With the power of customization at your fingertips, get ready to make your YouTube shorts stand out. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customized video, it's time to export it. Take time to preview the video before finalizing it to ensure everything appears precisely the way you'd like. Let's take a look at our video together.
Top 3 Facts of Human Body. Uncover the marvels of the human body. Did you know the brain operates on only 20 watts of power? Incredible, isn't it?
When satisfied with the outcome, click the export button. The video will be processed by Fliki and made available for download. That's all there is to it. You now have a high-quality, professionally produced YouTube video to share with your audience. The export procedure guarantees that your video is in the best possible format, ready to attract viewers and leave an impression. But please note that the quality of the videos depends on whether you are on free mode or have the premium mode. Now let's take a deeper look at Fliki's pricing alternatives. You have a few options to meet your requirements. The first is the free option, ideal for individuals who want to test it without making commitments. You can use my link in the description to try this option for yourself. This tier of service lets you begin working on one-time projects without providing payment card information. The free plan includes 5 minutes of audio and video content per month, 720p HD low-res videos, and the ability to convert blog entries, PowerPoint presentations, and tweets. And as Fliki states, the free plan is free forever. The basic package is ideal for individuals who want to create audio-only content with human-like AI voices. You'll get 120 minutes of audio content monthly, over 900 voices in 75+ languages, and 100+ dialects, the option to translate audio into 75+ languages, and commercial rights for $8 per month. The standard package is popular for consumers and professionals who want to create movies easily. This subscription costs $28 a month and includes 180 minutes of audio-video content per month, full HD 1080p videos, videos up to 15 minutes long, access to millions of premium photos, video clips, and music assets, and no watermark. The premium package is suited for power users or businesses wishing to employ Fliki's advanced AI features and create content at scale. For $88 per month, you get 600 minutes of audio-video content per month, videos up to 30 minutes long, voice cloning, over 150 ultra-realistic voices, API access, and a dedicated account manager. Choose the appropriate plan for your needs and start making amazing content with Fliki. Upgrade as you progress and discover new options. If you pay yearly, you get a 25% discount. Here's an extra tip to help you increase your earnings. Make long-form and short-form videos. Including long-form videos with your YouTube clips allows your fans to delve deeper into your content and get to know you better. This added benefit will enable you to earn money from both ends of the spectrum. You may simply produce long videos by selecting the long setting option in Fliki. You may cater to varied preferences and engage your audience on several levels this way. So don't limit yourself to YouTube Shorts. Increase your content collection and reap the rewards of generating money from long-form and short-form videos. Before we end this video, let us inspire you by presenting you with a YouTube channel that has amassed a significant following through its shorts. Facts Corridor is the name of the channel. This channel focuses on the animal niche, posting intriguing videos packed with fascinating facts about various animals and birds. Facts Corridor has captured the attention of viewers who want to learn more about the wonderful creatures that inhabit our globe through their engaging material. Let's look at some interesting Facts Corridor figures offered by Social Blade. Facts Corridor has uploaded over 350 videos since its inception on September 1st, 2022. The channel has an excellent subscriber base of over 300,000 people eagerly awaiting their programming. Their videos have received a whopping 86,892,033 views, indicating the popularity of their animal-themed content. Looking at more recent data, Facts Corridor has attracted an incredible 38,000 new subscribers in the previous 30 days, reflecting a growth rate of 55.2%. Their expected monthly revenues range from $3,500 to $55,500, according to Social Blade, demonstrating their channel's potential financial success. It's important to remember that Social Blade uses a CPM range of 25 cents to $4. I happen to think Social Blade's income prediction might be accurate for Facts Corridor. The historical average CPM, cost per thousand views, of the animal niche typically ranges between $5 and $12. However, the CPM for YouTube Shorts is around 2 cents per 1,000 views. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to earn $250 per day. Making YouTube Shorts with AI Video Generator. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to use InVideo to make $500 a day. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to learn how to use InVideo to make $500 a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.